After several rounds of negotiation, the ASEAN-Korea Free Trade Agreement was signed in 2006 and took effect in 2007. This research seeks to determine whether the implementation of the ASEAN-Korea Free Trade Agreement has been satisfactory for ASEAN-5 manufacturer exports, particularly high-tech manufacturers. Why do we focus on high-tech exports? We focus on high-tech manufacturing since it still is a fact that the high-tech content of export has a major impact on long-term economic growth and total factor productivity. How do we carry out the research? We use the synthetic control method. This approach allows us to develop a counterfactual unit for the manufacturing exports in a scenario in which no free trade agreement will have been implemented. How do we know our research and methodology is sound? We apply a series of robustness checks that are widely accepted in the literature, such as in time placebo test, leave one out test, and in a space placebo. We also address diagnosis of errors generated in synthetic control estimates, applying a model bias correction technique. Moreover, this research studies whether the synthetic control is a good predictor of exports for the period before the free trade agreement, analyzing the stochastic properties of the differences between these variables. Therefore, the robustness analysis clearly demonstrates the robustness of the results obtained. What do we find out from our research? Our research shows that the ASEAN-Korea Free Trade Agreement has been significantly positive for manufacturing exports from the ASEAN countries, both at the country and aggregate levels. It also observed this positive outcome has also helped for high-tech manufacturing exports. What makes this research original? Beyond its contribution to the literature in the field of trade agreement evaluation, this research provides a set of economic policy recommendations to avoid distortions, inefficiencies, and welfare losses.